Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an image slider in the Shopify Dawn theme. If you're looking to add a dynamic and engaging element to your Shopify store, an image slider can be a fantastic addition. It's a great way to showcase multiple images, highlight products, promote collections or sales, or even tell a visual story on your homepage or any specific page you desire, all while keeping your layout clean and visually appealing. Let's start by opening up your Shopify admin panel. From here, go to the online store section and click on Themes. Now, look for the Customize button next to the active theme, which in this case is the Dawn theme. Selecting this will take you directly to the site editor, your central hub for making all kinds of visual and structural changes to your store, including layout adjustments, content placement, and section customization. Once you're in the site editor, navigate your way to the specific page where you want to. Add your image slider. This could be your home page, where sliders are commonly used to grab attention right away, or perhaps a landing page that you want to make more dynamic for a campaign or featured collection. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a list of sections that you have on the page, giving you a clear overview of your current layout. Now find the location where you envision the image slider fitting best. It could be at the top for immediate impact, especially if you want to highlight promotions or brand messaging, or perhaps in the middle of the page to create a break between other content like product grids or text sections. Wherever you feel it's needed, go ahead and click on the area where you want to add this new interactive feature. Next, you will click on the option for Add Section, which will pull up a list of available sections you can incorporate into your page. In the Shopify Dawn theme, you'll want to find Slideshow. Click on it to select and add it to your chosen page area. This slideshow section is designed specifically for image sliders and works seamlessly with the Dawn theme's layout and responsiveness. Now, you might also see an option for using their AI tool, which can be an exciting choice. This tool allows you to generate a custom image slider by simply entering your desired prompts, such as the type of products you sell or the mood you want to convey. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to create something unique and personalized, without spending too much time on the design details or starting from scratch. Once you've decided on either the traditional slideshow section or use the AI-generated option, let's personalize it further. Click into the new slideshow area to bring up its settings and start uploading your images. It's as simple as choosing files from your computer and dragging them into the designated spaces. You can adjust the order of these images by dragging them around. Customize things like image alignment or transitions depending on the options available, and even add captions if that fits your brand style and messaging. And that's all there is to it. Now you've successfully added an image slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Be sure to save your changes and preview your page to see how it looks live on both desktop and mobile. This small enhancement can really elevate the visual appeal of your site, helping to capture the attention of your visitors and guide them toward key products or messages. This concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and happy Shopify selling.